Yesterday, I picked up a non-working Ryobi pressure washer on Craigslist. They said it's been a few years since it was run. It was listed as having a Briggs & Stratton engine. But you know what? Turns out it has a Subaru engine, a 7.0 Subaru engine. And I've been working on it for a few hours. Turns out the problem was some old gas, and I just rebuilt the carb. So here is my $50 kick-ass pressure washer. And there's no leakage, no nothing. I have the cover for that, by the way. I just took it off for testing. But yeah, it's in pretty damn good shape. All that will come off, be nice and clean. And here we go. Oops. Hold on. Pretty awesome. When I squeeze the wand, it doesn't kill the motor. Not bad for $45 plus the $5 I put into it for buying a gas siphon.